So, you are playing Magic the Gathering Arena and you would like to know what is the difference between play, the normal play, and ranked. The difference is that, as you may imagine, in ranked play, the more you win, the stronger the opponents. And of course there are different ranks and icons here, similar to this one, that slowly will make you rank higher or lower, depending if you're losing. You cannot lose the rank that you currently are in, but they get reset at the end of every month and you get a couple of ranks lower. Sorry. And you will also get packs based on how highly you are ranking. While in play, you find mostly people playing for fun and try new decks, or people that just don't want to play competitively. And the difference is pretty noticeable. In ranked, you will mostly find people that play decks that are based on a meta game, basically the strongest decks, and you will find very often that you can play against decks that are very repetitive, like you play against the same deck every time, basically, or against 3-4 decks. When in play, there is a lot more variety. People change, people try new decks, people have more fun, honestly. But ranking also is pretty fun, to be honest. So you can choose which one you want to play. The modes here are the same in both ranked and play, and the only difference is Brawl, which is a kind of a different beast. You can find it here. I played very rarely this one. I don't even have decks here. And that's it. I hope you liked this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.